Hello, Hare Krishna. This is Madhav Kirtidas, International Health Coach and Holistic Yoga Guru and Retreat Guru. Today, through this video, I would like to say something very important fact about the nutrition. As rice, I am taking my lunch at 9:30 in Dubai. Rice is very important source of carbohydrate and it's a major food ingredients in all over worldwide. But nowadays the taking rice, because people more taking rice most of part of the world except few places, so people does a mistake is nowadays they are taking white rice, polished rice. This is a very dangerous, I am telling you, this is very dangerous rice, white rice. Please avoid white rice. Always take off white rice like brown rice, red rice, and that should be some thick rice, not very thin. If it will be polished, it will be thin, but if it is not polished, it will be thick. Though the preparation method of this kind of rice may take some time, but doesn't matter. You want to see your health or you want to see your what? But in this rice, health is also there, taste is also there. Rather, in this rice, taste is much better than the white rice. You can see the rice is, this is, I have taken it a sample rice. So this kind of rice, which is available in Dubai, but in some part it can be more red, it can be less red, but not white at all. And after cooking, this becomes like this. Okay. So this is very tasty. And as you know, in my health retreat, on my health seminar, I always say you should not eat rice with dal, pulses, separate. So I don't have dal, I have not included, because when I eat carbohydrate, one time I eat carbohydrate, when I eat protein, when I eat protein. So here no carbohydrate, no protein, only carbohydrate. It's a mixed vegetable, it's a chutney, it's a papad, something like that. So this is the only rice suitable for you, and this is very tasty, very yummy. I enjoy a lot. You can also enjoy. By the way, if you want, please join us on one day on lunch. You will see the taste, and it is very good for stomach. So don't eat white rice, no polished rice at all. Please avoid from your, ask always this rice. Okay, and this is very convenient, very healthy, very nutritious. Okay, and stay healthy. This is very important factor of our diet. Please listen carefully. If you have any more inquiries, you can ask in comments. More details, more video on different health lectures is there in the comment box, link is given. And don't forget to share this video, subscribe and like our channel, and do try to attend our health retreat in Rishikesh. In Rishikesh I am conducting health and yoga retreat, and in Vrindavan I am conducting health and sadhana retreat. Please join us there. You will be there with us 6 days. You will be learning entire cooking process, meditation, yoga, pranayam, lecture on spiritual, lecture on physical, on health and hygiene management. So many things there will be. Yoga nidra, and holistically you will be trained in 6 days, so that how to lead your life without medicine, that you will learn in the retreat. Visit our Facebook page. Link is there in the description box, and you can find list of events and you choose your date. We have full 2020 calendar with the retreats. Choose your comfortable dates, join there. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.